Hi everyone! Today me and my dad together are going to draw a cat. So what you need is something to color, a clipboard, a paper, a pencil, something to draw with. Let's start. First, draw a line, a curve. And then draw a bird. And on the other side, draw the same thing, like me. Not a bird, just copy me. And then draw a line down like this. And draw two lines in those ears. These are the ears. And then draw a line and then her eyes or his eyes, and a dark circle, and two J's. And then draw a line. And then draw another line, smaller. And another line towards that one. And another line towards his mouth. Not connect the other leg. And draw a connection. And draw her or his paws. And then draw a line over like this. And draw something like this. And a curve like that. And a line from the S like this. And a curve like this. And his paws, his, or hers, I mean. And then draw a big curve. And then to teardrop curve again. We are done. Now time to color. We're going to color different. Again. I'll let some green in. You keep coloring, make it pretty. Have fun. We're almost done. Now we're done. Alright, it looks like it just wake up and it's ready to start to... Actually, it's trying to stretch and then it's trying to play. I'm going to go play with it too. Bye!